Robert E. Park, The City as a Social Laboratory. Robert E. Park, a prominent figure in sociology and a leading member of the Chicago School, introduced the groundbreaking idea that the city is like a social laboratory. To understand this concept, let us first break it down into simple terms. When we think of a laboratory, we often picture a place where scientists conduct experiments, analyze data, and draw conclusions. Park believed that cities operate in a similar way, offering endless opportunities to observe, study, and understand human behavior, relationships, and social structures. Cities are places of constant activity, filled with people from all walks of life. They bring together diverse groups, creating a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and lifestyles. This diversity makes cities a perfect environment to study how people interact, form communities, and deal with challenges. Park viewed cities as ever-changing environments where social patterns emerge, adapt, and evolve over time. One of Park's central ideas was that cities are not just collections of buildings and streets but are living, breathing entities. They are shaped by the people who live in them and, in turn, shape the lives of their inhabitants. For Park, cities were microcosms of society, reflecting the broader dynamics of human interaction and social organization. This meant that by studying cities, sociologists could gain insights into human behavior and societal trends that could be applied to other contexts. Imagine walking through a bustling city. You might notice people rushing to work, street vendors selling their goods, children playing in parks, and others gathered in cafes or community centers. Each of these activities represents a tiny piece of the larger social puzzle. Park believed that observing these everyday occurrences could help sociologists understand how people adapt to their surroundings, build connections, and respond to changes in their environment. Park's idea of the city as a social laboratory was deeply influenced by his belief in human ecology, which is the study of the relationship between people and their environment. He saw cities as ecosystems where different social groups interact and coexist. Just like plants and animals in a natural ecosystem compete for resources and adapt